The late Jayden Adams' lifelong ambition to play for English giants Liverpool was among the most emotional moments shared during a heartfelt memorial service held in Stellenbosch, as family, teammates, coaches, and supporters gathered to celebrate the life of one of South Africa's brightest football talents. Adams' family has also confirmed the official arrangements for the Mamelodi Sundowns and Bafana Bafana midfielder's funeral, which will take place on Saturday, 25 July 2026, at the Koortsenburg Center, formerly the DF Malan Center, at the Koortsenburg Sports Grounds in Stellenbosch. The public viewing will begin at 9:30, followed by the funeral service at 10:30. The family indicated that further information regarding logistical arrangements, including parking, will be communicated ahead of the ceremony.
When it's a big game for me, I just tell myself, you just go out there and do your best, do everything you can, and yeah, the game will take it from. Before I go out to warm up, I pray, I video call my girl to see my daughter first and my parents. I think that's a difficult challenge for me as a young player. Be away from my family a lot, especially my daughter, but you know, that's football. I want to be at the highest level, so you need to do these things. But I think the video call and the message is very important, plays a big role in my life.
The funeral comes 2 weeks after the tragic passing of a 25-year-old who was found dead at a property in Cape Town on 11 July. Authorities are continuing to investigate the circumstances surrounding his death. One of the most touching moments during Thursday's memorial service at the Stellenbosch Town Hall came when Adams' agency Forward Zone played a previously recorded video in which the midfielder spoke openly about his biggest football dream and said, "My goal is to play in Europe. I would like to play for Liverpool. That's my team, so that's my big time goal." Adams said in the video, drawing an emotional response from mourners. The footage dated back to his time at Stellenbosch FC before his move to Mamelodi Sundowns in January 2025. It served as a reminder that despite achieving remarkable success in South African football, Adams remained driven by ambitions beyond the country's borders. The video also revealed the roots of his Liverpool connection. His father, Jonetto Adams, had long supported the English club, passing that passion on to his son from an early age. While Jonetto had traditionally supported Kaizer Chiefs locally, his loyalty naturally shifted as he watched his son rise through the ranks to become one of Mamelodi Sundowns' most influential players. Adams' journey was one of determination and steady progression. A product of Stellenbosch FC Academy, he made history in 2020 by becoming the club's first academy graduate to sign a professional contract. His consistent performances quickly established him as one of the country's most promising midfielders before earning a high-profile move to Mamelodi Sundowns in January last year. His impact at Clearcorp was immediate. During the 2024-2025 campaign, Adams helped Sundowns secure the Premier Soccer League title before playing a pivotal role in their triumphant CAF Champions League winning campaign in the following season. His composure in midfield, tactical intelligence, and work rate made him an indispensable figure under head coach Miguel Cardoso, with many comparing his style of play to former Liverpool and Argentina midfielder Javier Mascherano. Adams' impressive club form earned him a place in South Africa's squad for the 2026 FIFA World Cup in North America. He featured in 3 of Bafana Bafana's 4 matches as Hugo Bross's side achieved a historic milestone by reaching the knockout stages of a men's FIFA World Cup for the first time. His performances on the biggest stage only strengthened the belief that a move to European football was within reach. Sadly, the dream will remain unfulfilled. Among those who paid tribute during the memorial was Bafana Bafana captain and Mamelodi Sundowns goalkeeper Ronwen Williams, who reflected on both Adams' personality and his importance to the national team and club, and said Jaden's loss will leave a big gap to fill and its massive shoes to replace. Williams said during a private memorial service held before the public gathering, and said to the family, stick together, draw strength from one another, and continue to celebrate Jaden's life, his career, and his successes. Williams also remembered the midfielder as a humble and respectful teammate whose quiet nature often masked his fierce determination on the pitch, and said Jaden was very quiet and respectful boy. You would sometimes forget that he was in the room, but his smile and his laughter could lighten up any room that he was in. As quiet as he was, when it was time to fight, he never backed down. Although his life was tragically cut short at just 25 years old, Adams leaves behind a remarkable football legacy. From becoming Stellenbosch FC's first academy graduate to sign professionally to winning leagues and continental honors with Mamelodi Sundowns representing South Africa's at the FIFA World Cup and inspiring countless young footballers, his achievements far exceeded his years. As family, friends, teammates, and supporters prepare to bid him a final farewell on Saturday, they will remember not only an exceptional footballer, but also a humble young man whose biggest dream was still ahead of him. While Jaden Adams never got the chance to wear the famous red jersey of Liverpool, his story of perseverance, humility, and excellence has secured him a lasting place in South African football history. May his soul rest in peace.
As a group of people working with the departed soul, as a group of his friends. We also represent the family and the fans. We also represent the institution the man worked for. We stand here, Lord God, to bring respect, serve our memories, and also bow our heads, Lord, to ask for mercy. We ask for forgiveness. May you please also consolidate our souls, Lord. May you give us strength, Lord. May you make us understand the unexplainable, God. May you also help us pass on messages to all those who are attached to the departed soul. We say, Lord God, akuhlangele ngehlanga. Sincede Nkosi singabantwana bakho. Silapha namhlanje nje. Sithoba inhloko zethu sizobulela sizobonga. Sithi kuwe Thixo somandla. Ungethando lakho Nkosi yami ukuthi sidibene namhlanje. Kungendlela yakho Nkosi ukuba silapha namhlanje. Sicela kungona Nkosi. May the soul of Jaden Adams rest in peace. May he find peace. He has run his race, Lord.
Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.